Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your Apple ID and ensuring iCloud Plus is active. This unlocks advanced intelligence features. Once done, update your device to the latest OS over Wi-Fi and make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, enable Siri, location services, and on-device intelligence in settings so the system can process contextual data locally. These are the foundational steps. They let you access Apple Intelligence capabilities without relying on an external Nugget device. Now configure on-device intelligence settings. Turn on on-device processing for Siri and messages so sensitive data stays local. Then, grant precise app permissions for microphone, camera, contacts, and photos only when required. This balances functionality with privacy. Also review privacy right arrow analytics settings and choose whether to share iCloud analytics. Opting out keeps more computation local. Make sure to sync preferences across devices via iCloud so models operate consistently. These steps finish by training personalized features. Use dictation, voice feedback, and typing corrections regularly so local models adapt to you. Then test Apple Intelligence with sample prompts in notes or shortcuts. Refine app permissions if outputs are inaccurate. If things go wrong, reboot your devices, sign out and back into iCloud, and confirm Apple system status for outages. For persistent sync errors, reset network settings and reapply privacy toggles. This usually restores on-device model updates and completes the setup without a Nugget accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.